On behalf of our office, I would like to thank you for visiting our website. So what can you expect by choosing us? You can expect prompt service. There are no long wait times, and when we make an appointment we keep it. From beginning to end, your first visit will not take longer than an hour, because we want to make sure that the first visit it's all about you. Our top priority is to fulfill your exact needs. So let me show you in the following videos why our clients choose to work with us.
Hello and welcome to Reputation Mobile Marketing System. We monitor all the top directories and send you out alerts every time you get a review online. If it's a negative review, we can send it to your support team. If it's a positive review, we send it to your sales team for them to call and get referrals. We offer detailed reputation reporting every month as standard, or, if needed, every 2 weeks and even weekly. We show you exactly what reviews you're getting, where you're getting them, and more importantly, what sites you need to get reviews in order to attract more customers. We accomplish this by performing comprehensive analysis and tracking the marketing that we do. This is something no other company does. We track how many reviews we create, where they're distributed, and how many people actually see them online. This way, you can see how effective your reputation strategy is and how important what we do for you is. We offer customized feedback with our Customer Relation Management software. This CRM is where you see all the locations you have and aggregate all your reviews and feedback into one place. You'll have your own dashboard of everything that is going on with your reputation online. We help you manage your reputation by building it in amazing ways. Building starts on the very culture of your business, and the reason you get great reviews or have a great reputation is you and your staff. That's why it's so important that your people know how to give outstanding customer service. We take the time to train your team to do just that. We'll also create custom, detailed feedback surveys that you can send to any of your clients immediately. Now you can have real-time feedback on their experience while it's still fresh in their mind. You'll also have access to our custom print media center. With it, you can create postcards, business cards, and flyers that get your message across, whether you're marketing a free offer or asking for a review. One of the best parts is our client sign-in page. Our powerful sign-in system will revolutionize your business. We give you an electronic sign-in that can be set to automatically send out a follow-up questionnaire up to 6 hours later. Once we have these reviews, we follow up with your clients to gather even more feedback. We then distribute this information to Yelp, Yellow Pages, or any social media site you choose to build your 5-star reputation. We can also create unique imagery to share on Flickr and Facebook that will give you brilliant branding and a top marketing experience for all your customers and followers. More importantly, we take advantage of the huge market for consumers watching videos. 94% of consumers watch a video given week. We take your reviews and, using our own specialized graphical software, add our spokesmodels and animation. We create 60-second review commercials and both market and rank them for your business. Then, when potential clients look for your business online, they find not just a text review, but custom video as well. And Google loves video content. As an example, do a simple Google search for any with a spokesmodel that appears to be in a Tesla showroom. The model is in fact in a bare studio with all background and company branding added after the fact. This type of professional video can now be available to you regardless of your physical location through Reputation Mobile. We look forward to working with you. See you inside.
So what are you waiting for? We look forward to working with you. Call us or click the link below.